Okay guys, today I'm gonna show you how to clean inside your PS3, clean off dust without opening the console. So we plug out everything, then we plugged in the power cord while you pressed and hold the eject button. I have one hand. Okay, I do like this. While you're pressing in the eject button and plugged in the power cord. You see, the fan is working very hard. You can see like and all the dust are coming out. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Then plug it out and and then plug it in. Every cords back. HDMI and everything else. Enjoy it.